So if you want to do the wheel bearing or the ABS, you need to, the ABS sensor, you need to pull this little Phillips head out from here. Then come around to the back, and there is a 14 there and a 14 there. Take them two out and disconnect the ABS sensor. You just push that in and it pulls off from here. The disc is okay on this one. You might have to undo the 14 here and this 14 nut to take the caliper off if you can't get it past, or if you want to do the brake pads. So we're going to leave them all as one. Pull it right there. So then down here there's going to be 4 12s. So you can just see them there. 1, focus, 2, 3, 4, and you'll go in through the wheel, these little wheel holes here. So it's sitting on these little dowels here, so you may have to clean them up. 2 of them there, and this should then just come off. Hey presto. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace the whole hub with a brand new Hyundai part. We're going to replace the whole hub with a brand new Hyundai part, and it has the sensor on the back. The sensor's just dead. The wheel bearing's actually okay, but just for speed, because the customer hasn't got the time. It wasn't too much more expensive, but you can get this and you can just knock that part off, replace it and tap it down with a piece of wood. So to rebuild it, we're going to use, just put it back the way it came apart, put a little bit of lock, I like putting a little bit of Loctite on these ones. These are the 12s and the other bolts as well. Pretty easy, pretty straightforward. Oh, just one other tip. You want to potentially take this off and clean this area here, all these. Clean it down so there's no rust on it. It mates on pretty good. Even the back of this, to make it sit better. Okay. Just make sure the sensor is facing backwards the way it comes out. So not that way. That you don't put it all back together and the sensor is facing the wrong way. So if you do just want to do the ABS sensor, you can just knock it up there with a chisel or something like that and pop it up. You'll tap it up and then this part will just come off. It didn't take too much to get it off, the actual sensors in there. So this part can be replaced. It's pretty straightforward. You can see all the little pickups there, whatever. And then if you're tapping the new one down, just use a piece of wood like that, tap it down both sides. It is only tin, so I'm not too sure. Should be pretty straightforward. I'd say it's probably quarter the price.